Hey guys, we're here in Orem with Blake and Heidi Hoover. The option they've chosen to go with is replacing the right-of-way. So somebody's already done some work out here, however they didn't do a good job on it. The top of the SDR in this area is split and being pressed down. Once you get back to the curb, it's actually smashed in on the sides. So we're going to come up to the sidewalk here, pull this out, replace it with the right-way with SDR, and then you'll actually notice we're avoiding the yard because they don't want these trees hurt at all. So the SDR actually comes up into the yard a bit. But the second thing we're going to be doing out of the three things is we've got another offset at the transition. So cleanouts here, we need to come back, irrigation valve box, come back to the foundation to correct the offset with the cast, install two-way cleanouts. We got stop and waste here, sprinkler here, valves running this way and outward. There's three valves in there. Next sprinkler out there. So open this spot up here so we can fix this while it's open. Shoot the liner from there down past where the clay and plastic meet to seal that joint off as well. So I've collected the deposit. You guys will be collecting the remaining balance once you guys are finished. They're aware bushes and stuff like that will be gone. They're aware of the curbing. I told him, we'll cut out a section and remove it. And he's like, it's been crumbling on me anyways, so it's fine. Sprinkler location for you guys. We've got sprinkler here, sprinkler over here. We've got one down by the sidewalk there. Another one by the sidewalk right there. We've got another one right there. We thought there was one in the corner, but there's not. Another one up in that corner. And then another one over here. As far as utilities go, gas is running. There's some flags right here. Gas is along the side. Water main is coming in that same trench where you guys are going to be at, so keep your eye out for that. So measurements about 27 feet on the right-of-way, up to a 10-foot spot repair in the yard, and then 33 feet of lining material. So there we have an Orem with Blake and Heidi. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. Depth at the road is 5 feet 3 inches. By the house is just under 6 feet. So anyways, there we have it. Thanks guys.